What up, people? Oh. Sit down, intro again. What up, people? It's your boy Lawman here. And it's a Friday night. It's Friday the 13th. Ooh, scary. But I'm out here in Chatswood. The reason why I'm here in Chatswood is a couple of things. I'm picking up a pair of sneakers tonight. But it's later on tonight. So I figured right now, might as well get me some dinner. Now, basically, I've been wanting to try this place for a while. A really good time. It's called Chicken and Son. I heard their burgers, it's dope, and I figured might as well check them out. So hopefully I'm not too late. I can go grab me some dinner, then wait around to get those sneakers. So let's get in and do it. There's fries. Here's the actual burger. That's the big burger. What it says, big burger. House made for French offering. Oh yeah, that's on point. But let's get into it. I'm going to be smashing one of these up. Let's see what happens. Try the front. Fries are on point. I love my steak cut style. There's a bit about it. You can definitely taste it. Really good. Try this. Looks like you need to cut it just to eat it, but I'm gonna handle it. I'm gonna try and handle this all the way. I'm gonna try to handle all that all the way. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Alright, this is gonna be talking right now. I might have to use a knife and fork to finish it off, but oh my god. I've never had a chicken burger that big, that scrumptious, and that delicious. It's so good. I'm not done yet, I'll be back in a second. But anyone can that big burger, like, I'll try my best. It's very good. I love it. Alright, I've got the knife and fork. I'm trying to finish the rest of it off. It should be easy eating.
Eventually.
Alright, so far this is what I've done with the burger. You look at it, pretty much to demolish the burger, I had to use fork and spoon to complete it. I'm using up chips, but basically, wow. I've never had a chicken burger that freaking huge. The chicken patty was on point. Like, I'm nice and coated. The actual meat was cooked right. It was moist. It wasn't that dry taste of fillet. It was really it was just the right moisture. I think the only down point is because it's such a big burger, and they dressed it well with the mayo and all that kind of stuff. Basically, you know, you couldn't have it any other way. So I had a couple of things and I was like, alright, cool, I'll just eat them with my fork. Otherwise, such a good decent burger.
The chips are on point. I will say this: the chips. I love my steak cut chip. The seasoning's quite nice too. It's not chicken salt or anything like that. It's a nice blend. It's not so overpowering. They do like put it in a big bowl and then shake it in. But oh, it's so much, so good, so good. So I'm gonna finish this off. Yeah, it only took me just about 15 minutes to finish it, which is a pretty fair sitting. So yeah, props to you guys at Chicken and Sun for this. Set my Friday off just right.
So pretty much there you had it. That burger absolutely owned me, but it was such a freaking dope burger. I kid you not, it was really great. Like, chicken was succulent, cooked well, it wasn't dry. When you bit into the patties, there was 2 big ass patties that you saw in the photo. You also saw, it was 3 buns. So it was like constructed like a Big Mac. Like just boom, 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 boom. It's just nuts, but it was really, really tasty, really great. I really enjoyed it. Would I do that again if I'm really, really got the munchies and really hungry? Yeah, I'll definitely do the big burger. They do a single patty. Sorry, they do a single patty version as well, which is really cool. But yeah, I really enjoyed that burger. I couldn't fault it. The chips were on point as well. Steak cut, nicely seasoned. You couldn't go wrong with that. Yeah, and I can't wait to get back here and bring some of my mates. If they've already hit this place before, I'm definitely going to take them around and eat. So I've got about 90 minutes to kill, so I'm going to probably drive up the road. And hopefully I can pick up my pair of new sneakers that I'm going to get. And I'm not telling you which ones they are. I'm just going to say I'm picking up a pair. Let's go do it.
So I'm out here this Avenue Roads right now. I'm just waiting. I found these things.
Brioche burger bar.
Yes. Yeah.
Now you can make your home burgers and stuff like that.
Look at these up. Because I need them from the car. They actually fit in the slide compartment pretty well. And I found these as well. 55 cents for a literally one of those packet things. A knife, fork, spoon, and a napkin. A bit of a rip-off. So quickly I decided to walk around Westfield and I found this old sacks.
I'm definitely going to try this place out next week. I think when I go out to my client site, if I'm going to my client site, but yeah. Well, I might take a photo of the menu and then so I can decide next week.
Yeah, I'm gonna line up Foot Locker.
No, I'm just I'm just walking around Redfield, just chilling out. You saw the Royal Stacks place, and I'm going to try next week. But basically, yeah, there's nothing really dropping this weekend. Yeah.
Alright, so the reason why I'm in Chatswood, the real reason why I'm here in Chatswood is I'm meeting up with someone to pick up a particular pair of sneakers. Now, I don't want to necessarily tell you which ones they are until I have them in hand. I guess Chatswood is because I'm just, the dude probably lives out here and, it's very tough to sort of meet up and all this, but making the effort to get this pair, I am paying retail for it, so I might as well make the extra efforts to get it done. So I just got a message, I'm going to check it out and see where he's at. So I just got the box, here's the box. I'm going to show you that. The actual full review and full unboxing will happen later on another video. But basically this is my night, Friday. I'm going to just drive home. Probably just fade it out on a time lapse. But otherwise, hopefully I should get home before midnight, get to bed, and start my Saturday, which is going to be for church and all that kind of stuff. It's boy Lawman. It's been a good Friday night. A bit surprised, but a very good Friday night.